Hello and welcome to Political Science Study Hub. Today we are going to talk of a Western political thinker G.W.F. Hegel. So this is the few basic topics, theory or thought of Hegel that we are going to discuss in this video. Full name of Hegel was George William Friedrich Hegel. Okay, he was a German philosopher and his major focus was on idealism, and he was a leading figure in the German idealist movement, and he has also founded his own school of thought, Hegelianism. Now he has also been called as the Aristotle of modern times, okay, as he has used his system of dialectics, okay, to explain the whole of the history of philosophy, art, science, politics and religion. So this can be asked in competitive exams, that who is the Aristotle of modern times? That is Hegel. Okay, his influence has been immense both within philosophy and in other sciences also. He came to have a profound impact on many future philosophical schools. Now let's come to the major theory of Hegel that is being asked everywhere. Okay, that is dialectical idealism. By this name only we can see that how much important or focus Hegel has given on ideology, on idealism. According to Hegel, what is idea? Idea is the driving force behind all development. Okay, if we have the idea, if a person have an idea that everyone should be educated, okay, for educating everyone in a village, what is required? If that person of a village is having this idea, he is thinking of that everyone of my village should be educated, then only he, by having the idea, then only he will talk about establishing a school in the village. So that the idea is very much important. Without having the idea, the development is not possible. According to whom? According to Hegel, as he has told that idea is the basic substance of universe and it is driving force behind all historical development. Okay, idea always moves in a dialectical path. Now what is that? So this concept map can explain you what is dialectical idealism actually. Okay, now what is thesis? There are two people, X and Y. Okay, there are two people, sorry there are two people, we can say X and Y. Okay, now X has given his own idea, that is known as thesis, as idea 1. Now Y has again given his idea, now that is idea 2. Like that, okay, the person who he is talking about building a school in the village. Okay, so he says that for education, everybody should be educated, so there is a requirement of a good school. Now other person is telling that no, girls are not required. I think girls are not required. Okay, there is a conflict, but there comes a synthesis. No, everyone is equal and everybody should be educated. So there is a formation of that girls. If the second person is saying no, the girls and boys cannot study together, it's not good for the girls, there should be protection of girls. So synthesis can be what should be the solution? There would be now two buildings of school, one for girls and one for boys. So there would be two schools. Now the synthesis is formation of two schools, one for girls and one for boys. So this was just an example to explain you what is thesis, antithesis and synthesis. But according to Hegel, this process continues until when? Until the absolute truth is discovered. Now, next. So now Hegel has told? Hegel has told that there is a family. Okay, family is always there. Okay, but all the needs are not fulfilled. Okay, in a family. So there should be a formation of civil society, that is antithesis. But what is happening in a civil society? All the people are fulfilling only their own needs. Okay, selfish needs are being fulfilled, but no one is there to look after them. Okay, no superior power is authority is there. So there should be synthesis, and that is what state formation of state is required to stop the fulfillment of only selfish needs and betterment of all. Okay, idea reflects in institution, but with changing idea in this institution will not replace. Okay, only there will be the order of superiority. Okay, like the state should be the superior, then civil society, and then family, but no institution can replace any other institution. So there is individual that is thinking about himself only, family thinks of all, then civil society again thinks of itself only, selfish needs should be fulfilled, then state thinks of all. Okay, in family all needs are not met, therefore civil society come, but civil society is confined to economic activity where everyone fulfills their selfish needs. So there is a requirement of state that is impersonal and thinks development of all. Now state as an end itself, state as an organism. Hegel has told that state is the what march of God on earth. Okay, state is the ultimate goal, state is the highest duty. Okay, state represented universal altruism, that is represents all and remain neutral, thus giving rise to the notion of citizenship. State is governed by universal class of bureaucracy, that is the civil servant. So state is the superior body that looks after everyone, so that no selfish needs is fulfilled and everybody is treated equally. Now this is the few quotes on state given by Hegel, that is the state as actuality of ethical idea, state as march of God on earth, state as divine idea as it exists on earth. Now civil society. Hegel was first to differentiate between state and civil society. What is civil society? As I told only, it is a system of needs where the individual pursues his own interest according to his abilities. Civil society is only there for the fulfillment of the needs of individual. Selfish needs or only in his own interest. Civil society is you can say that everybody is looking after not everyone, sorry, civil society is everyone is only looking after themselves, but state is large and impersonal, and it is working for everyone, for the growth of everyone within the civil society. Now this is the few works of Hegel: the Phenomenology of Spirit, the Science of Logic, Encyclopedia of Philosophical Science, Philosophy of Right, Philosophy of History, and that's it for today's class. This is a few comments on Hegel given by Popper, Savine and Marx. You can pause the video and go through them, and that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Political Science Study Hub. There are more videos on Western political thinker and Indian political thinker. Do visit the channel and please subscribe.